Hello friends, today we will be solving lead code medium level complexity question which is spiral matrix. In this there will be a 2D matrix given. We will be given a matrix of 2D structure which consists of m rows and n columns. We need to print the elements in the spiral order, means like if this is the matrix, so we will be printing like 1 2 3, then 6 9, then 8 7 4 5. So in a spiral way we need to print. Similarly over here, first row, all row will process 1 2 3 4, then 4 8 12, then 12 11 10 9, then 5 6 7. So in the spiral manner we need to print the elements. So in this question we need to write this function which is returning the list of integer. So the list which will be in the order of spiral matrix. So we have created a result list which is as of now empty. If matrix length is 0, then we are returning result list, so it will be a null, right? So not an issue. If left, then we are defining 4 pointers, which is left equal to 0, right equal to matrix dot 0 dot length minus 1, so it will be up to the number of columns it have. Top will be 0 and bottom will be matrix dot length minus 1, means equal to number of rows. So we are using this while condition, which if it is true, then it will get executed again and again. So initially it will process the left part, so it will go from I equal to left, which is 0, and I less than or equal to right is this, as of over here is 3, and I plus plus. So result is dot add matrix, top is 0 because we are processing 0th row, and I plus plus, so it will process 1 2 3, then we will be incrementing this top equal to top plus plus, so that it comes to the next row. So because this is already processed, so again if top is greater than bottom, we will be breaking the loop. Okay, and for I is equal to top, now second row, I less than or equal to bottom, third row, I plus plus. So we will be starting from this row up to this row, and we will be processing the columns which are the last columns. So right one columns, right is as of now right is matrix 0 dot length minus 1, means the last column. So we will be starting from, we will process 6 and 9. Okay, then what we will do is we will be decrementing right minus minus, so that it will come to know that this column is processed, so we are decrementing right minus minus. If left is greater than right, we will be breaking. For int I equal to right, I greater than or equal to left, I minus minus. So I is equal to right now, so which is this position, and it is greater than or equal to left, which is this position. So it will, so we are iterating in the reverse way. For loop is there, so we are adding it in the reverse way. Then 8 will be added and 7 will be added, and the bottom will be decremented. So this bottom, this row is all processed, and the amount bottom will point to this row. So if top is greater than bottom, break. For I equal to bottom, yes, this one bottom is as of now this row. I greater than or equal to top, yes, it is true, 2 is equal to 2, and I minus minus, so we are adding I, okay, Now as of now, I is bottom means 1, and we will be like just removing. Now I is 1 row and left, so we will process this, we'll add this, then we will be adding this, and then we'll be incrementing left plus plus. So in this way we can implement the spiral matrix program. Let's see whether it executed and how fast it is. Yes, it is faster than 100%. It is a quite fast solution. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.